It's August 23rd, and to mark the one-year anniversary of the earthquake and to kick off the restoration phase, we will be setting in place up on the southwest pinnacle a crocket stone that Sean Callahan carved, and we're going to be fitting it in place up there.
And as we remember the damage sustained to this holy place 1 year ago today, we remember those whose vision inspired the building of this cathedral, whose generosity made that vision soar, and whose hands have built the walls and crafted the stone to serve the purposes of God. Today we pause to give thanks for those who can see this building restored, whose generosity will make this restoration possible, and for those whose hands will continue to craft stone to serve the God of all creation. So we gather here today to dedicate to the glory of God and for the edification of God's people this crocket stone, sign of the new work of restoration begun. We bless your name, O Lord, because it has pleased you to enable your servants to offer this gift for the restoration of this spiritual home for the nation. Amen. Amen.
A little bit more. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay, get the hook, and then I'll be heading up. Okay, you got it?
Yep, I'm heading up.
I got it. Going up? Let him come. Okay. All right, Andy, let's ease it down.